So today we will be starting our chapter 6, which is named as Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Natural vegetation. It is the atmosphere, the flora and fauna. Basically the flora. Flowers, plants, forest. This is called natural vegetation. There are three types. We can divide it into three categories. The first is forest. It is a collection of trees, and rainfall is plenty, and they have a tree cover. Collection of trees. Collection of large trees. Large number of trees. Large number of trees. The next is grassland. As the name itself says, the land of grasses. So they are called land of grasses. The third is shrubs. They basically grow in dry areas. Their leaves are yellow in color. So, and we have coniferous forest. Coniferous forest that are in subpolar regions. They have needle shape leaves. Thorny bushes in deserts. Now the first topic is forest. We will be studying different kinds of forest under this topic. The first is tropical evergreen. As the name itself says, tropical evergreen. They are within the tropics and they are evergreen throughout the year. And why they are evergreen? Because they receive rainfall throughout the year. Rainfall throughout the year. Rainfall throughout the year, that means no dry season. They don't have any dry season. And when they receive constant amount of water, so they don't shed their leaves. That's why they are called evergreen. Their trees are hardwood, and they are for example, hardwood trees. For example, rosewood, mahogany, ebony, etc. Now comes tropical deciduous. The difference between evergreen and deciduous are deciduous shed their leaves once in a year, and evergreen don't shed their leaves. So they are within the tropics, but they are deciduous. They are found in near the equator in Amazon. This tropical evergreen, they are found in Amazon, they are found in India, North Australia, and Central America. For example, in India, in winter season, the trees shed their leaves, so they are tropical deciduous. Dry season, trees shed their leaves. Trees shed their leaves. The trees are sal, teak, neem, and shishem. In these forests, fauna like tigers, lions, elephants are found. Langurs or monkeys, they are found. Now comes temperate. What are the temperate zones? They are above the tropical zones. Between the tropics and the subtropic. Between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer, and in the southern hemisphere between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. They are found at mid latitudes, in the middle of the latitudes, coastal region. They are found on eastern side of the continents, Major areas are southern USA, South China, Southeast Brazil. They contains both hardwood and softwood trees. Hardwood plus softwood trees. For example, oak, pine, eucalyptus. Now the next is temperate deciduous. They are found in the temperate region and they are deciduous. They are found in higher latitudes. As the name itself says, deciduous, they shed their leaves once in a year, and that is in dry season. The examples are eastern part of US, China, majority portions of China and New Zealand. Trees are oak, ash, beech. Fauna which are common, which are found here: deer, foxes, wolves. Now the next is fifth, Mediterranean. They are found near the Mediterranean Sea and other areas also. They are found on east and northeast margins of continent. They are covered by evergreen and deciduous trees. They are found on western and southwestern margins of continent. They are found in Europe, that is near the Mediterranean Sea, Africa and Asia. They are also found outside the Mediterranean Sea in California, US and Southwest Africa and Southwestern America, South America. They have hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. citrus fruits are grown here. Citrus fruits like oranges, figs, olives, and grapes. Now the next is coniferous forest. They are found at higher latitudes. Of northern hemisphere. They are also called taiga. The other name for coniferous forest is taiga. They are found in Himalayas, tall softwood, evergreen trees. The woods are used for making paper and newsprint, means newspaper, matchboxes, etc. The trees are chir, pine, cedar. We can easily see these all trees in Himalayas. The animals found here are silver fox, mink, polar bear. Now the second major topic is grasslands, the land of grasses, the pasture lands which contains grasses. The first one is tropical grasslands, the grasslands which comes within tropics. They occur on the ideal side of the equator, in between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere, and between equator and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. They have moderate or low rainfall. The grasses are 3 to 4 meters high. Like savanna grasslands in East Africa. Elephants, zebra. The grasses are tall, 3 to 4 meters tall. That's why giraffe has long neck. The elephants, giraffe, zebra, deer, leopard, zebra. They are common in tropical grasslands. Now the next is temperate grasslands. As the name itself says, temperate. In the higher latitudes, in the mid or the higher latitudes. They are found in mid latitude zones. And they are in the interior part of the continent. Grasses are short grasses, and they are also nutritious. The animals found here are wild buffaloes. Because the grasses are short, that's why buffaloes are present here. Bisons, it's just like buffalo, and antelopes. Now the next is thorny bushes. Thorny bushes, they will be in the desert areas. And in dry desert areas. And deserts are found in western margins of the continent. Western margins of continent. They have scanty rainfall, means low rainfall and high temperature. Now the next is polar regions. Polar regions are generally cold, so only mosses, lichens and small herbs are found, and that is also called tundra type. Polar regions, polar areas. Ice covered or low temperature. Mosses, lichens and very small herbs, shrubs. They are in Russia, that is Europe, Asia and North America. So there we have our this chapter, but I want to just tell one thing also. Tropical grasslands are known by different names in different continents. The first is in East Africa. I have told it earlier that it is known by the name savanna. Then Brazil, it's campos. Brazil, campos. Venezuela, llanos. Now tropical grasslands are found in East Africa, that is by the name of savanna. Brazil, campos. Venezuela, llanos. Now temperate grasslands. Argentina by the name of pampas. North America, prairies. Okay. South Africa, it's wild, V-E-L-D, wild. Central Asia, steppe in Russia. And last, Australia, it is downs. So in Argentina, pampas. North America, prairies. South Africa, wilds. Central Asia, steppe. Australia, downs. So here we have our chapter 6. So thank you so much.